welcome to another dimension of law and mediation. Today I'm continuing comments about traveling with the kids during COVID-19. So in the previous programs I talked about international travel, and then I also talked about traveling with the kids between Canada and the US. Today I'm going to focus on a couple of decisions of the judges about travel within Canada. So the first decision involves an application of the mother to travel all across Canada to the beautiful province of British Columbia, all the way from Ontario. And the mom wanted to go to Vancouver. Brought an application before the court, and the judge said, not a good idea. This is against the public health advisory, and it's not safe to travel with the kids. So she could not go because the travel itself would expose the kids to a potential risk and put them at a risk or a threat to their health. So was disallowed to travel. Now, this is a long travel. Do you know how long it takes to travel across Canada? If we go from Vancouver, from Victoria, the island, all the way to Newfoundland, depending on the number of connections, if there is just one stopover somewhere in Calgary or Toronto, it may take about 10 hours to travel from one part of the country to the other part of the country. So it's a long travel. Now, the other decision involves an application by the father saying, bring the kids back. The father lived in Prince George in British Columbia. The mother took the kids, 12 and 15, for her visit up north, and the travel time was essentially by car, but it involved a 9-hour drive one way. So when the mother said, no, I'm not bringing the kids back, and it wasn't the first time that she was saying that, but now it happened during COVID-19, said, I'm not bringing the kids back, it's not safe because A, the kids will have to use a public washroom on the way back to Prince George, and they also have to eat somewhere, and this will really endanger their health because they will have to be in public space, etc. So what did the judge do? The judge said, no way, you have to bring the kids back to dad. That's where the kids live. Prince George is their home, and you have to do that. And by the way, if you don't feel like doing that, the police, the RCMP, will assist you. So what's the takeaway here? Well, first of all, that traveling for just non-essential travel reason is not going to be permitted likely by the judges because it will pose a risk to the children's health. And also when it comes to enforcing the order, it's important to keep in mind that the judge can order that the police be involved to make sure that the terms of the order are being obeyed. So thanks for being with me today, and from my heart to yours.